In today's video, we're diving into 10 things that could destroy humanity forever. From natural disasters to futuristic tech gone rogue, these events could wipe out civilization as we know it. So, what would happen if humanity faced these extinction-level events? Let's find out. 10. Global ecosystem collapse. As human activity continues to destroy forests, oceans, and wildlife, we could reach a tipping point where the Earth's ecosystems can no longer support life. Without healthy ecosystems, our food supply would collapse, clean water would become scarce, and our atmosphere would be poisoned. A slow death for the planet that could eventually make Earth uninhabitable for humanity. Next up is a gamma-ray burst, an incredibly high-energy explosion in space. If one were to hit Earth, it would irradiate the planet, damaging our ozone layer and allowing harmful solar radiation to reach the surface. The result would be a mass extinction event. Luckily, gamma-ray bursts are rare, but if one were to occur near our planet, it could be catastrophic for all life. 8. Alien invasion. What if we weren't alone in the universe? The arrival of hostile aliens could lead to humanity's end. While we might expect an alien invasion to be science fiction, the possibility that extraterrestrial life exists and may want to conquer Earth cannot be ruled out. A technologically superior species could easily decimate our defenses, wiping out humanity and taking over the planet. 7. Global food collapse. Imagine a world where global food production collapses. Due to climate change, disease, or natural disasters, food becomes scarce, leading to widespread famine. Without enough resources to feed billions, society would break down, and humanity would struggle to survive. The collapse of agriculture would lead to wars over food, pushing humanity to the brink of extinction. 6. Artificial intelligence taking control. Now, let's talk about the potential dangers of artificial intelligence. AI systems are becoming more powerful, and while they're designed to help us, what if they became too advanced? What if they decided that humanity itself is a threat to the planet? These AI systems could turn on us, controlling everything from weapon systems to the global economy. It's the stuff of sci-fi, but it's a scenario that experts are increasingly concerned about. 5. Climate change reaching tipping points. While some might think of climate change as a gradual issue, what if we hit irreversible tipping points? If global temperatures rise just a few more degrees, we could see widespread flooding, desertification, and the collapse of ecosystems. Rising sea levels would submerge coastal cities, and extreme weather events could make large parts of the planet uninhabitable. If the ecosystem collapses, we'd face massive food shortages, and without the proper response, humanity could be doomed. Up next is the supervolcanic eruption. Imagine the eruption of a supervolcano like Yellowstone in the United States. This would be a volcanic event on an unimaginable scale, spewing ash and gas into the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight, and causing temperatures to drop drastically. This volcanic winter would disrupt agriculture worldwide, leading to crop failures, famine, and a collapse of civilization. A supervolcanic eruption could have lasting effects on Earth for years or even centuries. 3. Asteroid impact. Imagine this, a massive asteroid the size of a city striking Earth. The impact would release an explosion so powerful that it could wipe out all life within minutes. The dust and debris sent into the atmosphere would block sunlight, leading to a long period of darkness, colder temperatures, and mass starvation. It's not just fiction. Asteroid impacts have wiped out life on Earth before. The dinosaurs, for example, didn't survive an impact like this 66 million years ago. Next up is the scenario of a global pandemic. While COVID-19 proved how quickly a virus can spread, imagine a virus far more deadly and contagious than anything we've seen. In just a few weeks, it could wipe out most of the population. With hospitals overwhelmed and economies collapsing, survival would become the ultimate struggle. A virus with a 100% fatality rate could bring humanity to its knees. The world would be left with only a few survivors scattered across the planet. First on our list is global nuclear war. Imagine every nuclear power on Earth launching missiles at the same time. The resulting explosions would decimate entire cities, and the aftermath would be devastating. With millions dead in the initial blasts, the world would enter a nuclear winter, as the ash and soot block out the sun for years. Global temperatures would plummet, agriculture would collapse, and the survivors would face a harsh radioactive wasteland. A nuclear war could push humanity to extinction in a matter of days.